Welcome to the A2G of Improv, your companion to becoming a committed, competent, creative musician. I'm Adam Moore, the creator of A2G of Improv, your guide to navigating the piano creatively. If you can create a major key on any piano key using the tone-tone-semi, tone-tone-tone-semi pattern, and you can help someone who can't, then move to point 4. If not, stay committed to this chapter, grow in competence, and get creative. Welcome to A stage, point 3 of the A2G of Improv, where we'll explore the major scale. Scales are often the less appealing part of a musician's practice. A traditional scale ascends and descends a collection of notes called a key. The A2G of Improv will teach you to navigate keys like road maps. You'll discover their improvisational treasure. Let's start with a C major scale. These 7 notes, C, D, E, F, G, A and B, are the notes that create what we call the key of C major. From our first note C to our second note D, the movement is a tone. From our second note D to our third note E, the movement is also a tone. From our third note E to the fourth note F, the movement is a semitone. From the fourth note F to the fifth note G, the movement is a tone. From our fifth note G to the sixth note A, the movement is also a tone. From the sixth note A to the seventh note B, the movement is another tone. And a semitonal movement from the 7th note B lands us on the C key, the first, also called the root note of our pattern of tones and semitones. Here's the tone and semitone pattern that created our C major key. Tone, tone, semi, tone, 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 semi. This key is our roadmap to navigate and create scales, chords and melodic sounds like this. Musical keys constructed from patterns of tones and semitones are the roadmaps for musical creation. The pattern we just discovered, tone, tone, semi, tone, 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 semi, created the key of C major when we chose C as our root note. The major key of any of the 7 musical notes is created by starting on our chosen note and following the movement pattern of tone, tone, semi, tone, 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 semi across the keys on the piano. The collection of 7 piano keys created forms the major musical roadmap. Let's add one more layer to our technical foundation before we move on. Let's explore scale degrees. When we use numbers instead of letters to refer to the musical notes of a key, we create scale degrees. Let's replace the names of the C major notes with numbers in ascending order. C is our first note or root, D is 2, E is 3, the fourth note, F, is our 4th scale degree, G is our 5, A is our 6th, and B, our 7th and final scale degree, is our 7. So a recap of the C major key now as scale degrees. 1 or root, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's a melody using scale degrees. Watch me demonstrate. Root, 5, 4, 6, root. And with my left hand, root, 5, 4, 6, root. Pause the video and try this melody yourself, one finger at a time. Here's a second melody created from the C major scale degrees. Root, 7, 6, 2, 3. With my left hand, root, 7, 6, 2, 3. And then one finger in each hand, together, root, 7, 6, 2, 3. Pause the video and try this second scale degree melody yourself. Once you've tried it hands separately, try it hands together, one finger in each hand. We can use the major tone and semitone pattern to create the major musical roadmap on any root note on the piano. Listen to me play a musical scale using the 7 scale degrees of C, F, and G. Can you hear the similarity in the melodic sound? Let's use the major tone and semitone pattern to create the F major key together. Starting on F, move a tone 2 keys to G, another tone 2 keys to A, semitone 1 key to B flat, tone 2 keys to C, a tone 2 keys to D, tone 2 keys to E, and a semitone 1 key to F. You've created F major. By starting on F and using the major scale pattern of tones and semitones, we have now mapped out F major. Let's create our F major scale degrees. F is our root, G is 2, A is 3, B flat is 4, C is 5, D is 6, E is 7, F again is our root. Here are the notes of the F major key created by the tone-tone-semi, tone-tone-tone-semi pattern, beginning with F major. Pause the video and use one finger, one hand at a time to play each of the 7 scale degrees of the F major musical roadmap. Here's the same scale degree melody that we played in C major, but this time using F major. Root, 5, 4, 6, root. And our second melody, root, 7, 6, 2, 3. Pause the video and play each scale degree melody using hands separately and then hands together, one finger in each hand. Now let's create the G major musical roadmap. Starting on the G note, move a tone 2 keys to A, another tone 2 keys to B, a semitone 1 key to C, a tone to D, tone to E, another tone to F sharp, and a semitone to G. Now we'll replace the G major note names with scale degrees. G is our root, A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, D is 5, E is 6, F sharp is 7, and then G again is our root. Pause the video and use one finger, one hand at a time to play each of the 7 scale degrees of the G major musical roadmap. Now pause the video and use the G major key to play the scale degree melodies that we played in the keys of C and F major. Well done for all you've achieved so far. You have used the major tone and semitone pattern to create the keys of C, F and G major. You've also learnt to create melodies using scale degrees. You played the melodies in each of the 3 musical keys. This process is called transposing. Here are 3 tasks which are laid out in full detail in the Stage Companion PDF. Use the committed and competence tasks to refresh and integrate all that you've learned so far. The 3rd task will add a creative edge for your piano playing. For your committed task, use one finger and refresh yourself with the 3 major keys that you've created. For example, C, F, G. Do this in the middle, in the bottom end, or the higher end of your piano. For your competent task, using one finger, skip to the next highest or the next lowest notes of the key that you're playing. For example, C. The next note will be D, so we'll skip up. Next note will be E, we'll skip down. Next note will be F, we'll skip up. Next note is G, so we'll skip down. Next note will be A, so we'll skip, this time we'll skip a couple of notes. A, the next note will be B, this time we're going to skip down, down and down. And then we want to land back on the C, so let's skip up, 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 up. Let's find the C up here. Do this for each of the 3 major musical roadmaps. For your creative task, create a 5-note melody using scale degrees and play your pattern in each key. Create and play at least 3 scale degree melodies. Dedicate some time to complete the point 3 tasks and then move on to point 4, where we'll explore octaves. I'll meet you there.